In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your stick drift on your PS4 controller. Now, if you're playing a game and you have a character that starts moving slowly at random or starts looking off in a certain direction, it's usually because of stick drift that is on your controller. So I'm going to show you 4 quick ways to try and fix this. First, we're going to want to reset your controller to see if it's just a controller issue. So first, this button on the back, you're going to want to get a paper clip or something small and push in that button for 5 seconds. This will reset your controller. And then you're going to want to plug in via micro USB to USB into your PS4, turn on your PS4, and then once it's fully booted up, turn on the controller to resync it back to your PS4. Now, if that doesn't work, the second step is going to be cleaning your controller. So you're going to want to either get a Q-tip with some rubbing alcohol and clean all around the edges of inside of your joystick to remove any dirt or excess particles that might be causing the stick drift problem. And if that's not working, then using a can of compressed air or simply blowing on the areas around the edges of your analog sticks to try and dislodge or move any particles that might be tripping up your sensors causing stick drift. Okay, the third thing you're going to want to do is push in your analog sticks for 10 seconds. And then after those 10 seconds, you're going to want to rotate them clockwise for 10 seconds, and then rotate them counterclockwise for 10 seconds, and then push them in again for 10 seconds. And if that doesn't solve your stick drift problem, your last thing you're going to do is replace your analog sticks, which I don't recommend trying on your own, especially if you're not skilled with replacing technical components or have a soldering iron, because it requires you to unscrew your controller, remove certain components, and then replace your analog sticks and solder items back into your controller motherboard. Again, if you are at that point where you're going to be doing that, you may just want to buy a new controller. But those are the 4 tips to try and fix your stick drift on your PS4 controller. I hope that helped. Please like and subscribe and comment if you have any other methods.